What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. I've got the whole squad over here in the car. Say what's up, Shady. Amir's driving us.
I'm the light man.
And we are going to
Cheeseboat. To Cheeseboat.
Cheeseboat. Let's check it out. Full disclosure, I thought we were gonna get on a boat and try different cheeses, but turns out that's not the case.
Mina's not our smartest friend.
Tell us what this place is about.
This is a Georgian place.
The country.
Georgian, the country.
It's called Khachapuri.
Amir's been there. Amir's the only one who's been there.
Really, Amir?
Yeah, I've been there before.
How was it?
I love it, to be honest.
Yeah?
We can get some soup dumplings as well.
Okay.
Definitely down. The pictures.
Why are you sneezing and messing up? Why are you?
Ew.
All right, tell us about the place, Peter.
I mean, I've never been, but from the pictures, it looks phenomenal. What they do is they get this piece of dough, and they form it into the shape of a boat. Okay. And obviously, they fill it up with cheese, and they crack an egg and a piece of butter on top of it.
And I'm assuming you can try different types of bowls, right?
You can. No, you get one. Please don't touch me.
Oh, you can try
they get one. You can get one. Yeah, like you can get however many you want, but one is gonna be enough, I think.
Okay. I'm really excited because I love cheese. Do you love cheese?
I love
Shady, do you love cheese?
I love cheese.
Amir, do you love cheese?
I love cheese.
Mina, do you love cheese?
Of course. I was waiting for me to have to say no.
I was waiting for one person to say no. All right, we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just made it to Brooklyn, New York. I'm actually really excited.
So, it's pronounced Khachapuri. It's a Georgian cuisine, the country, not state. And it's really good. It's just pretty much cheese, and it looks like it's in the shape of a boat. That's why Cheeseboat, hence Cheeseboat.
Hence the Cheeseboat.
Yo, she said the spinach one is really popular.
So what are you getting?
The chicken.
The chicken?
Chicken Khachapuri.
Peter?
Chicken cheeseburgers.
Chicken? You don't know?
Shady, get the bacon. Get the bacon.
She said bacon and chicken are the most popular. Yeah.
The Baba cheeseburger is also really good with shrimps.
Just because they're popular, does that...
Yes,
So, we are deciding who gets which Cheeseboat because we don't all want to get the same one. So we could try the different tastes. The most popular two are... Wait, what were they? Chicken
and bacon.
Chicken and bacon are the most popular. Amir's getting the chicken. I'm getting the bacon.
I'm getting shrimp.
Peter's getting the shrimp.
No,
Peter's always the outlier. Shady's getting
The original.
Original. Mina, what are you getting? $5.
You don't want
doesn't know.
smoked Gouda? There's a lot going on in this Peter, smoked Gouda.
shrimp is really
He doesn't know. So, I'll get you guys updated once we find out what we're getting. So, while we wait for our food, this place is really cozy. It's also BYOB, so be warned.
The
right?
seats are also nice. They fit into your butt.
So you're gonna cut that out, right?
No, that's pretty funny. Yeah, no, the seats, they're wooden seats, but they're not like your typical wooden seats that are very uncomfortable. They have a curvature, so you're like... Oh, that's cool. It's a cheese bowl. This is a bit of a weird detail and compliment, but the knives have like this really nice weight to them. It's like, it's very dense.
I'm not watching the video if you're gonna put that in there.
I'm putting it in there.
Oh, somebody's
Ooh. Dumplings.
That is stupid hot.
Can I have said something?
It's right. Yeah, this became... It's fine.
Yeah?
I like it.
Wait, no sauce?
No, I didn't drink the juice yet.
Oh, you have to drink the juice?
There's a soup.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's a soup inside of a dumpling?
Yeah. It's hot. Oh man, it's hot.
Yeah? Is it good though?
It is good. I'm trying with the sauce.
Yeah, try with the sauce.
Right? Look. What is it?
Yeah? Good? at that. That looks so good. Oh, you can see the soup too?
Yeah.
The soup is cooking. It's so hot. I could probably put this whole thing.
What is that, beef or pork?
Beef.
Beef?
The seasoning on it though, really good.
That's really good. But it went right down my airway. Oh.
Yeah, it's good. It's good?
That is really good. The idea of the soup being inside of this is pretty cool.
This is a
It's a thick shell.
No, but it doesn't taste like a Chinese.
Yeah,
It doesn't.
It doesn't taste like Chinese, but like, I gave a soup dumpling. I'm pretty sure it's Chinese. It is very good. It's so good with the sauce.
That's really good. Those dumplings. How good? 10 out of 10.
Amazing.
Amazing.
8.5.
8.5.
9 out of 10.
Put it in the middle, everything.
Ooh, good time. Yes.
So this is the spinach cheeseboat, the bacon cheeseboat. Okay, I'm gonna put it here so you can.
It's time to eat. You know that feeling when something's really hot, but it looks so good, so you just want to bite into it?
Oh, I'm scared. There's those cooking.
I'm gonna wait a second. It's hot.
Yard is a church that was founded in 1200.
Yeah, thumbs
It's so casual in English. That's really cool. Can we
Pick up the
visit?
shrimp. How's the shrimp feel?
Our building was built in 1899.
It's too hot. I don't want to take a bite.
So obviously all this bread and all this stuff is made in-house.
It's so hot. My hands are burning.
It's hot, but it's a satisfying hot. The cheese is so good. Oh, wait.
I think it would be bad. Is it a national store?
Right.
I don't think so. It's something important. It's like
Keep going.
Oh man, it's super hot though.
Yeah, I'm here.
God bless.
This bread is so hot. I can't hold it.
Jesus,
Oh,
bro,
yeah,
the amount
no,
of
bite it.
cheese.
That's all you. This stuff is really good. We'll update you guys right after. What's wrong? I've never seen you this happy before.
Yo, people are different for me, bro. My fingers are crying.
We just went around trying each other's cheese boats, and we came to the conclusion that basically everything is really good.
I'm the winner though.
I mean, the chicken, I think the chicken one, right?
The chicken definitely is the best meat.
Yeah, but honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these options.
No, I think the chicken is best overall.
No, the sauce is definitely, I think, better than the shrimp. The green sauce?
So yeah, literally anything you choose is going to taste phenomenal. The chicken, because it has that yellow sauce, I don't know what that sauce is. It's this yellow sauce right here. Not sure what it is. So this is very unusual. We're still eating and Peter stopped. No, once I start filming, he wants to pick it up and pretend like he's still eating.
You've been getting defeated a lot lately.
Yo, Shady, was he eating just like a second ago?
I
He
was taking
wasn't.
a break.
He wasn't. No, you weren't. You weren't taking a break.
I didn't have breaks.
You were tapping out. This is really good, but Amir just mentioned that if you take this home, it's not the same as eating it fresh and hot. So make sure you finish it. But it's heavy. It's heavy and it's good. We are debating though on which one is the best cheeseboat, but we'll talk about that outside.
I'm so happy. I'm your best man. Tell Shady said I'm so happy.
I'm tapping out. Shady is also tapping out. I'm done. Did you tap out?
I'm done.
I tapped it out.
Did you finish?
Look at
I was in the bathroom.
Amir, did you tap out?
No, I finished.
Alright, and Mina Hannah tapped out.
Mina Hannah finished.
Sorry, yeah, he did finish. $5, everyone who didn't tap out is knocking out in the car.
I'm driving.
$5 you knock out.
$500.
I'm driving, so I can't knock out. Wait, what did you want me to do?
I didn't want to throw up. So I couldn't.
Man.
Alright, you know what? I can't. It would have killed me.
So we just left Cheeseboat. It's right behind us. And Peter. No, come on. Honest thoughts.
It was amazing. It was just cheese overload. Like there was just so much cheese and so many different meats that we had. Definitely recommend. I'm not gonna give it a rating.
It was amazing. He's totally right about the cheese. Amir and Shady.
Honestly, I've been here before, so I'm happy they enjoyed it. I liked it the first time, so like I already knew I was giving it a 10 out of 10 from the beginning, so it didn't make a difference to me. But so yeah.
Shady.
I love cheese. This was all cheese. Therefore, this gets a 10 out of 10.
All right, that's enough for you. All right, Mina.
I thought it was great. I was trying to think of a favorite one. I couldn't think of anything.
Okay, so that brings us to the issue. Okay, we were debating on which cheeseboat was the best. Some say the chicken, some say the shrimp. Shady thinks it's the shrimp because of the garlic sauce that was on it.
Well, after careful consideration, I think it is the chicken.
The chicken?
The chicken
So
He caved in.
okay, so that's unanimous.
Yeah,
Okay,
he
so if
caved
you
in.
guys come to Cheeseboat, definitely try out the chicken.
But if you have somebody else, get the shrimp one too, because that shrimp one is good.
Totally.
Has the best sauce.
No, the shrimp
all
has an
of them,
amazing
yeah.
sauce. Yeah, try all of them. Oh, and by the way, it is very filling. I would suggest splitting it among 2 people.
Yeah.
No.
We made the wrong choice. That's way too much
Get
food.
something else with it as well.
That's way too much food. But I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to
Sorry.
Comment. Like
and subscribe.
All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video.